Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 3, chapter complex number, exercise 1. And we have reached question number 27 now. Okay, so let's look at the question. Question is that we have been given two complex numbers and we have been also given another expression here that there is another complex number z, and this is how it is related to the first two complex numbers that are given to us in terms of the argument. And then we have to prove a relation. All right. So this question is, see, whenever you are, you have to apply argument of something is equal to pi by 4. What is the meaning of that? Meaning that tan of, so it's something like this. If suppose this is equal to p plus iq, now argument of this is nothing but q by p is equal to tan by 4 is equal to 1. So instead of writing like this is what it is implying. We know how to simplify the term, and then argument of this is nothing but q by p. Tan inverse q by p is pi by 4. That means if we take this should be equal to tan by pi 4. So this is the whole concept here. This is the whole concept here. So after that, if we just take z as x plus I by minus 10 minus 6i divided by x plus iy minus 4 minus 6i, right? And after this, what do? We know that if the two complex number is given one by one below the other, then we just simplify it, take its conjugate, take it up, multiply with its conjugate. Niche mein you're going to get the mod of that complex number. And after that, all we have to do is we have to find the imaginary part divided by the real part and equate it to 1. So I will leave that for you. You can see the same thing is here. So once you get this, then this is what is the meaning. Then from here, if you can see, this is going to be the imaginary part and this is going to be the real part divided by the same real number, which we don't have to worry about because it is going to be in both numerator and denominator. So just y minus 6, y minus 4 and this term is equal to this term. Y minus 6, y minus 4 into this is equal to this. So applying the argument one, and then when you solve it, finally you will come to this. And this is a equation of circle. And this is where you have to remember. When it looks like this, then in terms of the complex number, how are you going to write it? Z minus whatever is the center of the circle, and this is the radius of the circle. So Z minus center of the circle into R. This is how you write the circle ka equation in complex number. So when you rewrite it as a circle ka equation in complex number, you are going to get this back. Okay. So when you start this question, these are the things when you see a question, you know that, okay, I have to simplify the new rational part of the complex number, then take the imaginary by real, equate it to 1. And this is nothing but this is the equation of circle whose center is 7 and 9 and the radius is 3 root 2. So all of that you should work towards that. So once we know where you have to go, then it is now easy. You'll be more confident to apply the next steps. So this is really important. When you look at the question, you should know where you have to go. So after that, confidently you can just do your calculation. Thank you.